BMW's 2024 i5 eDrive40 is a notable addition to the company's electric vehicle lineup, positioned between the acclaimed i4 and the luxurious i7. This mid-size sedan is crafted to combine driving pleasure with upscale amenities. The eDrive40 is the base model, equipped with a rear-drive setup that delivers 335 horsepower. As an electric alternative in BMW's mid-size sedan range, the i5 is introduced alongside the new generation of the gasoline-powered 5 Series. It's anticipated to be available in BMW showrooms before the end of 2023. For those who prioritize range and efficiency, the eDrive40 is the ideal choice. Its single electric motor drives the rear wheels, ensuring a smooth and powerful driving experience. Test drives of production models in Portugal showcase the sedan's agility, impressive handling, and the refined ride it offers, especially over challenging terrains. The i5 eDrive40 houses an 84.3 kilowatt-hour battery pack, allowing it to cover up to 295 miles between charges. This model supports DC fast charging, with the capability of charging from 10% to 80% in a mere 30 minutes. As an added benefit, BMW provides 3 years of free 30-minute charging sessions at Electrify America stations for every i5 eDrive40 purchase. In terms of fuel efficiency, the eDrive40 stands out with a rating of 105 mpge on the highway. The interior of the i5 mirrors the spaciousness and luxury of the traditional gasoline-powered 5 Series. However, there's a slight reduction in trunk space in the i5. BMW introduces a new faux leather upholstery in the i5 named Vaganza, adding a touch of modern luxury. The cabin is also adorned with features like optional heated and ventilated front seats. The i5 eDrive40's dashboard is a blend of modernity and functionality, dominated by a curved panel that integrates a 12.3-inch digital gauge display and a 14.9-inch infotainment touchscreen. Powered by the latest iDrive 8.5 interface, the system is designed for ease of use and supports over-the-air updates. Standard tech amenities include Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, in-dash navigation, wireless smartphone charging, a Harman Kardon stereo system, and an onboard Wi-Fi hotspot. i5 is offering standard driver assistance features such as automated emergency braking and blind spot monitoring. More advanced features are available as options to enhance the driving experience. To top it off, the i5 eDrive40 comes with BMW's standard warranty coverage, ensuring peace of mind for owners, and includes a 3-year complimentary maintenance plan. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.